welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna do nightwear haul. You guys were requesting me for this video from a very long time. You guys were regularly asking me कि कहाँ से आप अपने nightwears लेते हो, as you have watched me wearing these nightwears in vlogs, insta stories and all that. So I thought let's do a nightwear haul, and I have got all of these nightwears from Clovia. I really love their styles, designs and quality, and I own a lot of nightwears from Clovia. Along with nightwears, Clovia has really good options for lingerie, and they have also skincare products by the name Clovia Botanica. You can check out their app or website to explore their nightwears, lingerie and skincare products as well. So yeah guys, without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So guys, I got all of these night suits from Clovia, so let's begin with the haul. So the first night suit which I got from Clovia is this one. So this is how it looks like, and can you just see the color of this one? It's olive green color, and ऐसे पूरे top में there is this flower detailing going on of pink and white color. It's a peplum top, and talking about the neckline of the top, it's square neck, and also guys talking about the sleeves, elbow sleeves है इसमें, and this is how it looks like from the back. There is this button detailing in the back which looks so pretty. So this is the top of the night. Talking about the bottom, there is this elasticated waistband for a snug fit, and also it has this bow detailing at the end for added style. And Clovia के mostly night suits में pocket रहता ही है, वो भी दोनों side में, and that's the thing which I really love. मेरे को night suits में pocket चाहिए ही चाहिए होता है, and that's why I really love their night suits. And quality और fabric तो अच्छा होता ही है Clovia के night suits का. So that's why I really love to shop from Clovia. This is the next night suit which I got from Clovia. It has this beautiful smooth satin fabric, and I am so in love with this fabric. बहुत ज़्यादा smooth. So basically this is the top of the PJ set, and it has this floral print all over. Color भी इसका बहुत soothing and calming है, so it is best for nightwear. And also guys, it has this collar and button detailing in the front. This is how the button detailing looks like. And now guys, talking about the bottom में ये pajama है, and there is this elastic thing going on, and obviously दोनों साइड में पॉकेट है, so that's the best thing. And also guys, talking about the sleeves, इसकी half sleeves हैं. So yeah guys, this was the second set which I got from Clovia. And now guys, talking about another night suit set which I got from Clovia. So this is in red color, beautiful red color. So this is basically the top of the PJ set, and it has this collared neck and button in the front. इसका जो sleeves है वो full sleeves है. And talking about the print, it has this beautiful white floral print. This combination is looking so pretty, red पे white flower को combination. I am just loving this combination. And now guys, talking about the bottom में this is the pajama which I got, and इसका pajama is so comfortable, बिल्कुल भी आपको uneasy feel नहीं होगा after wearing this night suit. बहुत easy breezy है, and also the fabric of this one is very good. I feel like it's cotton, and cotton fabrics or ये satin fabrics are so good for nightwear. So that's why I really prefer these fabrics for nightwear. So yeah guys, this was the third set which I got from Clovia. And now guys, talking about another set. So this is how it looks like. It is looking so pretty. It has this Christmassy feel, and I'm really loving this print. इसका print is so cute. इसमें Christmas tree बना हुआ है, soft print दिया हुआ है all over. This is how it looks like. बहुत ज़्यादा cute PJ set है ये. And talking about the neckline, इसमें भी collared neck and button detailing in the front. Material is so good. कोई भी चुभने वाला material नहीं है. It's very soft. And now guys, talking about the pajama set. Pajama is also matching. पजामा में भी वही प्रिंट दिया हुआ है जो टॉप में दिया हुआ है इसके, and it has this elastic, and obviously there is this pocket both the sides. Yeah guys, thumbs up from my side. And now guys, talking about another PJ set which I got from Clovia. This is literally my favorite one. So this is how it looks like. Can you see the fabric and color of this one? It is in beautiful lavender color. I think camera is not really doing the justice for the lavender color. It's looking really pretty. And talking about the fabric, इसका बहुत ज़्यादा luxurious satin fabric है. You will feel so comfortable after wearing this night suit. लगेगा ही नहीं आपने कुछ पहना है. It's so soft. And talking about the detailing of this one, it has this black color का lining collar में and you know sleeves में भी and also hair. So this is giving a very good style to this one. And also guys, talking about the neckline, it has this collared neck and इसमें बटन डिटेलिंग दी हुई है, ब्लैक कलर का बटन्स हैं. एंड या गाइज आई एम सो इन लव विद दिस वन. द मटेरियल ऑफ दिस वन इज द किंग. सीरियसली बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा मटेरियल है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द बॉटम, मैचिंग बॉटम्स हैं इसके एंड यू नो इलास्टिक वेस्ट लाइन, पॉकेट्स भी हैं. इट्स वेरी सिंपल बट यू नो इट्स सो लग्जूरियस. फैब्रिक बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है इसका. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज आई हैव गॉट ऑल ऑफ दिस नाइट सूट्स इन साइज स्मॉल, सो यू नो यू कैन कीप दैट इन माइंड. साइजेस बहुत ज़्यादा परफेक्ट है क्लोविया के एंड यू नो साइज चार्ट भी दिया हुआ होता है, so you can check out that also if you don't know your size. And now guys, talking about another PJ set which I got from Clovia. So this is how it looks like. It's in black color and just look at the print. इसमें ऐसे white, blue and you know light pink color का flower detailing दिया हुआ है. And also guys, talking about the neckline, it has this collared neck and बटन डिटेलिंग इन द फ्रंट. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज इसमें भी ऐसे लाइनिंग दिया हुआ है लाइट पिंक कलर का, विच इज सो फैब्यूलस. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द बॉटम, इट हैज़ दिस मैचिंग बॉटम. इसमें भी ऐसे ही फ्लावर डिटेलिंग दिया हुआ है विद द सेम कलर्स एंड इट इज़ लुकिंग सो डैम प्रिटी. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I'll mention all the links of these night suits in the description box below, and also you can use my coupon code to get additional discount. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye.